Hello everybody, welcome to my Christmas gifts haul shopping video. I just wanted to show you all the things that I've bought for Christmas sales, all the things that I've got for Christmas or I've bought for money that I got for Christmas. So I hope you're gonna enjoy this video. So for Christmas, I was lucky this year to go home for Christmas, to go to Poland. So I've got a few things from the brands that I like in Poland. So I'm gonna show you what I got. The first gift that I have received for Christmas is the gift set from my favorite Polish brand, and the brand is called Yolk. And this is a brand that is famous for the natural products. I think you can buy this brand in UK, but I'm not sure which drugstore sells it. And this gift set contains shampoo and conditioner, and it's for the oily, greasy hair because that's the type of hair I have. And it was I think around 30 zlotys, which is like £5, £6, something like that. And yeah, so this is the first gift set. Another thing that I got is Nakami Rainbow Scrub and Wash. And Nakami is also a brand that sells natural products, and it's similar to Yolk, but Yolk has a bit of a different branding, but I mean the idea is pretty much the same. And what I love about this product is that it has a rainbow colors in a jar and it looks amazing. On my way to Poland at the airport in Barmouth, I saw a few things that were on sale, and one of those things was Lancome eyeshadow palette, and the eyeshadow palette is called Monsieur Big, and it's 12 shades of love. This is what it looks like. This is what the package looks like. This is what it looks like at the back, and it was discounted from $36.95 to $18.47, so exactly 50%. And the palette looks like this. Oh my god, I love it, I love it, I love it. If you're thinking about buying a Valentine gift for someone who likes makeup, then this is, I think, a perfect gift because it's in the shape of heart, and just the aesthetics of the palette is amazing. Another thing that I've bought at the airport was a duo pack of Monsieur Big, so the same sort of line from Lancome, and it's Monsieur Big mascara. There was two of them in a package, but I kept myself one and I gave my mom another. And from what I remember, it was I think £15 for two of them. It was discounted from 30 something to £15. So for two, each of them were like £7.50. So this is what it looks like, and it's a full size. That's important information. So basically the cost of one was £7.50, for two was £15, discounted from 30 something. Another thing that I've bought, I've ordered it online. I think this gift set I bought in Boots. Anastasia Eyebrow Eyeliner and Mascara kit liner and mascara. And you've got mascara, full-size mascara and full-size eyeliner. And this is a liquid eyeliner. Yeah, liquid liner, yes. And it's like not brush, but it's like a marker sort of form. So this is what it looks like. This is the eyeliner, and this is the mascara. I'm not gonna open them because this is for my personal use, so I don't want them to dry. Another thing that I've bought, and it's another gift set, and another gift set with mascara and eyeliner, is Huda Beauty Legit Easy Eye Duo. Huda Beauty, yeah. And there you've got the mascara in there and eyeliner. And I'm gonna open. Oh, it's unopened because I didn't open it before. So you've got the mascara here, and you've got the eyeliner, and this is Live Liner Quick and Easy. And the last thing that I've bought on Boots.com was Ole Henriksen the Starry Bright Glowing Skincare Essential Set. and I wanted to test the cream and the cleanser, and the price of that gift set worked out better than if I just bought those products separately. And so I've got a face cream, Sea Rush Brightening Gel cream in here. I'm not gonna open again because I don't want it to dry. I've got full size cleanser in here and mini toner, and as I said, the price for that worked out better. It was also on sale, but even though if you didn't buy the gift set on sale, the price still was better than if you bought those products separately. Plus them being the price being reduced for sale, it worked out even better. So I thought, it's now or never, I'm gonna buy it. Another thing that I've bought is a cinnamon palette from Too Faced, and this is their Christmas limited edition, and it was on sale for £26. It normally costs £39, but I bought it for £26. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like at the back, and this is what the inside is like. So you've got all the Too Faced palettes has mirrors. I mean, all the palettes that has in that sort of metal tin. I'm showing it in such a weird way because I don't want to flash you with a lot of light, so it's just, yeah. So Too Faced has a very good quality eyeshadows. I do have loads of palettes from Too Faced, and I'm really happy with their quality. Another thing that I've bought, I think I've bought that cinnamon palette on Look Fantastic or Feel Unique or something, Called Beauty, something like that. So basically, when I buy stuff, I usually on Boxing Day I either buy things on Boots, Look Fantastic, Called Beauty, Feel Unique, or ASOS sometimes. Another thing that I've bought, because it was like most of the time you've got the products that you have on sales are Christmas gift set. But in this case, there was a lot of things that were the gift sets. They were just the regular products. They were just like a huge discount on them. And one of those things that were on my list to buy was Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. And this is a 50 milliliters one. There is a bigger, a jar. I think it's 100 milliliters or 150 milliliters, something like that. But I've got the smaller one because I've never had that product before and I just wanted to test it. And it was discounted from £28 to £20, so 30, is it 30? Yeah, 30, more or less 30%. Yeah, so, and I think I've bought it on one of those websites like Look Fantastic, Called Beauty, or Feel Unique. Another thing that I've bought on sales, I think I've bought this one on ASOS, but I'm pretty sure I bought it on ASOS. It's Too Faced Ladybolt lipstick. It's one of their latest lipsticks, and it's in a shade I'm Thriving. And the packaging of this lipstick is just magnificent. So it has a little, the sign in there that is 3D sign, and it has a heart in here. And the packaging is metal. I mean, it's like metal, yeah, metallic, and it's plastic inside. And you've got a lipstick. I've chosen the nude shade, and I don't know if you can see that, but the lipstick is in the shape of heart, and it has Too Faced embroidered on it, and it's magnetic, like that's what it looks like. Another thing that I've bought on ASOS is Wishful Yoglo Gingerbread Latte. I don't know if I've ever mentioned, but my favorite ornament for the Christmas is gingerbread. So when I saw the gingerbread man scrub for face, I thought I'm gonna have to have it. And that one was, I think, 13. That one was £13. I'm not sure what the discount was with this one, but I'm pretty sure it was £13. And it's Yoglo Gingerbread Latte Enzyme Scrub for Face, and it looks like this. I've never had anything from Wishful brand, so kind of worked out just perfect because I can test something from that brand. The last thing I have bought on ASOS, and it was just, I don't know if you guys are familiar with that, but this is a sort of like derma planner. I didn't even know it was called that, but I used to buy them from Wilkinson, is that the name of the brand? The one that is a producer of razors. So I've bought that sort of products in Wilkinson, like from the Wilkinson, not Wilkinson the shop, the Wilco, but the like Wilkinson, the razor brand. And I usually bought like a package of 3, and here you've got 12 for £5. And I use them to sort of trim my eyebrows because I hate, you know, pulling them out. I just really don't like that type of hair removal. But you can also use it for other parts of your face. I only use that for eyebrows. So I don't know how it works out for the rest of the face. I saw people using it on whole of their faces because you do have a little bit of hair. If you touch it, you do have a little bit of hair, but I just not a really fan of that sort of. Yeah, it does say, you can see the picture in here how the lady is trying to sort of shave her eyebrows, or or she's doing or she's shaving her cheeks. Yeah, so that is it. Oh, and also I think it was in Boots or maybe in Feel Unique, I don't remember. I've bought a wet cherry, it's from Lancome, wet cherry lip gloss. I love cherries and I love lip glosses. I've got one right now. It's not this one, but I've just bought a clear one. I don't know if you remember, but all the 90s kids will remember all those see-through lip glosses that just gave you the wet effect on your skin. So this is, all my lip glosses have a sort of a little bit of a shade. I don't have perfectly clean one, so I thought it was a perfect opportunity to buy it, and it was also on sale. I think it was from £17 to £10, something like that. I'm not sure, I don't remember. So also on sale for the I think it was Feel Unique or Look Fantastic. I've bought a set of sponges. I use a lot of sponges all the time. This is from the brand called Brushworks. It was, I think, either £5 or £3. I know normally you will have to pay much more for that sort of set, so £5 is a decent price. I've never had anything from that brand, so I thought I'm just gonna get it. It's a good price. And what was important to me, they have a lot of those small sponges. I really like them to use under your eye for your concealer. So I really like using them, and not a lot of brands have those tiny sponges, and if they do, they are very expensive. So if they're in a set, three works out perfect. I think it was £5. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. I see you later, guys. Bye.